This is Keke's Talk. She's on the rise. She's got the tea from day till night. Discussing music, news, and so much more. You gotta listen to what she's got in store. It's Keke's Talk.
Hey everyone, how you guys are doing? I'm back with another episode, season 5, episode 12, and I have my amazing, super awesome guest with me today. If you should know who this is if I'm like trying to amplify him. It's my amazing husband. He is on as a guest today. And I know we should do more episodes. We keep saying we are going to do more episodes together, and somehow we managed not to do it. But we are both live here on Keke's Talk. And so today we have a special treat for you because we are trying out. I'll let you talk.
We are trying out the Lay's IHop Rooty Tooty Fresh and Fruity Strawberry Topped Pancake with syrup and bacon chips. We're trying these out. I love potatoes and I love chips. So we picked this bag up. You can't see this, but we picked the bag up. We're shaking. We're going to try these out. So I guess if you're in a rush on a blessed Sunday morning trying to get out to service and need a breakfast real quick, this could help you. Don't know. We're going to try it out.
Yep. It says IHop on it. IHop Rooty Tooty Fresh and Fruity. So it's strawberry top pancakes with syrup and bacon. So we're going to try this out because I was like skeptical on if this is actually going to taste good or not. But we're going to try it out. I'm grabbing a chip. He's grabbing a chip.
Oh, yeah. Both grabbing chip. You can't see this. This is the bag.
And when you pull it out, it does look like, I don't know, looks reddish, pinkish.
It smells like a pancake when you pull it out.
Yeah, it actually does smell like pancakes.
Yeah, it smells like pancakes. If you like pancakes, like I like pancakes, hey, it passed the pancake smell test.
Yes,
like
so now you fist to hear us probably crunching because we fist to bite into it.
All right, here we go.
I'm going to say, once you get past the first initial taste, it's not too bad. I mean, it tastes like, okay, well, in my opinion, it tastes like, I can taste the strawberry, and I can taste the pancake. I don't taste bacon, though, but I don't know how you
Yeah, my first same thing. I taste the strawberry topping off the top, taste the pancake, no bacon. You lied. I don't taste bacon at all. I'm about to make me some bacon then. No bacon. So if I made some eggs real quick and do just on the side for the pancakes, and I can make bacon.
Yeah. Just like what Mike was saying, once you get past, the taste, it's pretty cool. Now, the other thing is, like what he said in the beginning about how if you in a quick in a hurry, like if you didn't get a chance to eat no breakfast, if you have this, like, on hand and you maybe, this may work for you.
Yeah, it could, put some in the bag. Get some to little ones. You've got little ones running around the house, Give it to them. It might help them get by for a little bit to able to get the food you want to get. Yeah. I'm a chip person, so I eat chips regardless. So.
Yeah. Other than that, it's okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not too bad.
We try to give y'all more of these little, us trying different chips out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't try mostly all of them out. Haven't did the hot chip yet. I don't think I'm going to mess with that one, but try most everything else out, though.
I'm going to actually take a picture for y'all and post it in my Keke's Talk Facebook page. So if you're not liking that, or if you haven't followed that page, please follow and please hit the like button. I would appreciate that so much. But I am actually going to take a photo so y'all can kind of see how it looks. But it's just layers is what it is.
And if you're listening to this podcast and have any suggestions of chips you want us to try out, make sure you go to Keke's Facebook page. Throw in there the suggestion of chips you want to try out. If we can find them down here where we are at, I'll pick it up and we'll try it out.
Yes, we would. All right, I just took a picture of it. And, I will put this picture inside the Facebook, Keke's Talk Facebook group, or I say group, but page, sorry. But yeah, so like what my hubby was saying, if you want us to try other things, just you're more than welcome to let us know. You can let us.
I do like hot food.
Yeah.
Now I limit the hot things I eat, but hey, if it's doable, I try it out for you.
Yes, and maybe I will. I don't know. I don't think I'll try everything, but I would try some things though. I try some things. I'm more of a scary cat.
Yeah,
so.
She ain't into hot things.
I'm not, especially when it comes to hot things. I'm not.
You got the 2 adults' opinion. You might want to get a kid opinion on the chips.
Oh yeah, my kids. Yes, they're here.
We got the youngest down here now. We're gonna let him try one out.
Yes, that's a good idea. I didn't think about that.
Let him try one of these breakfast chips out.
This is our good morning. Did you hear him? He said good morning. Say it out loud. Say it again.
Good morning.
So he said good morning. So you heard him. This is Braylon, by the way.
He just woke up.
Yes.
When he get his breakfast in, like I said, you in a rush, short for time. This could work.
Breakfast.
Yeah, go ahead and try it out, man. Tell people what you think. What it smell like? Ain't get no answer to that, but man. You only crunched it one time.
What do you think of it? He's really
his
quiet.
His facial expression said it all to me. I don't think he likes it. He got up.
Braylon, you not going to give your opinion?
He gave thumbs down.
He gave thumbs down, y'all. I guess he's trying to spit it out, y'all. I'm sorry. I wanted him to communicate.
We got the oldest Kurt Line in the building, posing and profiling. He's giving all smiles right now. You might have a winner.
You gotta talk. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty fire. It's good. It's good.
What is that?
What is that? It's the pancake.
It's the pancake chips, man. The Rooty Tooty, fresh and fruity.
Yes.
Strawberry top pancake with strips of bacon.
Well, you heard him. He said it's nasty, so hopefully you heard him say that.
For the record, he don't like pancakes to begin with. So
I do like pancakes.
He doesn't like strawberries.
He doesn't like strawberries.
He doesn't like strawberries, but he do like pancakes.
So, for the record, you gotta take his opinion with a grain of salt. He's biased on certain things.
Yeah, he doesn't like. He's not a strawberry person, but I love strawberries. But he's not a strawberry person, but he does love pancakes. So I guess that's probably why he doesn't like it, because like we were saying, when you first bite into it, you do
wash it down.
You do taste the strawberry. So that was probably
I
why.
don't even taste. Let me see what.
That's probably why.
You don't taste the bacon.
Yeah, I don't taste the bacon or the pancakes.
See, you don't taste the pancake?
You don't taste the pancake either?
That's the second thing I taste, man. Well, we got in this house, we got 2 out of 3, and the third one don't taste the pancakes. Hey, you still says pass though.
Well, our oldest child said he doesn't taste the pancakes.
So within the Keke's house, it's 2 out of 3. I mean, my bad. 3 out of 4. I'm sorry about that. It's a 2 out of 3. 3 out of 4. They liked it, so it passed.
Yeah.
It passed. The bag will be gone probably by Wednesday or Monday. It passed.
Yeah, it passes with me, with Mike, and then with Curtis. Braylon, it's a no-go. He's like, it's nasty. I'm not trying it again. Braylon, is that correct? You're not going to try that again?
Yes.
That's what he says now.
That's a 1 out of 10.
He says that now. Probably by Tuesday, he be sneaking down to grab him.
So he's rating it at a 1.
He's rating it 1 out of 10.
Being worse.
You never get this.
But it's your opinion.
But we already know in his household he gonna mess with him.
Yeah. So 1 being nasty, 10 being awesome, and I haven't rated yet. So let me go ahead and wait for my scoring. I give it an 8. I'm gonna be honest. I give it an 8. All right. So. Curtis, did you give it?
10 out of 10.
Oh, a 10 out of 10. Okay, Curtis said 10 out of 10.
All right, I give it a 9. I can't give it a 10. I gave it a 9 for being different.
I get an F.
You hear Braylon? He said give it an F.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. With all our opinions, you just have to try it for yourself.
Yeah, try it out for yourself.
Yeah.
And again, if you have any suggestion of any different chips you want to try out, let us know.
Yeah.
We will try it out.
Yeah.
Now, salt and vinegar is not one of my favorites, but hey.
I'll try it.
Curtis said he'll try
on
it.
the list, I go for it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll try it.
Yeah. So I'm glad we did this. We made it a family thing.
So everybody up in the morning getting a quick breakfast in with the IHop, Rooty, Tooty, fresh and fruity.
Yeah.
Layers, strawberry top pancake. I'm stopping with that because it don't have bacon. The bacon part, you kept that part off. They could have left that part off. They don't have bacon. They could have left that part off.
Yes.
Huh?
But I hope y'all enjoyed this live podcast from the Keke's household. You ever in bond the clutch and ever on a tight time bond and got your bag of these might work out for you.
Yeah.
Especially for the little ones. Well, not our so-called little one, but hey, for you never know.
So-called little one.
But
it might work out.
Yeah, it might work out. So yeah, I did. I'm sorry, I'm so quiet, y'all, but I'm literally posting on the Keke's Talk.
She's posting on the website.
The Facebook page.
The Facebook page.
Yeah, and so y'all can see the bag, so you can kind of know it's uploading now. Yeah. So
me and Curtis Line eat these chips because they gonna get ate one way or another. They gonna be gone. So that's what we do.
Yeah. So it's okay. Like I said, it's really okay. We have one person, which is my youngest, Braylon. He doesn't like it.
Panda Bray, he's a real picky eater.
Panda Bray don't like it.
Yeah.
Braylon Panda doesn't like it.
Braylon Panda is a real picky eater.
He's a picky eater. Well, that is really true. He is very picky. But he doesn't like it. And so I just recommend that you try it for yourself. Let us know. Give us feedback. Yeah. You could go on the Facebook page. Definitely give us your feedback.
And comment if you tried it. If you tried it before, put down how you felt about them on the Facebook page. Let us know let us know your thoughts about it.
Strawberry cake.
Yeah. All right, then. I guess we're going to end it on this note. This episode was just really to get, we wanted to get our impressions on the chips because we was curious. We kept seeing it in the store. We saw it at Walmart. And I was curious but skeptical at the same time. Like, didn't think it was going to really taste that good.
Nah, y'all. She saw it at Walmart and said, hey, would you eat those? And I said, why not? So we got this bag of chips.
Yes. So I wanted him to be my test subject.
She know I eat chips, so any kind. So she like, you don't eat these? Like, sure, why not?
Yeah, I wanted him to be my test subject. So yes. Because I don't know if I would have just did it on my own. But anyway, that's that.
If I can take it, a knife was durable. Yes.
So, all right, we're going to end it on this note. Thank y'all for listening. I truly appreciate it. Definitely, on Spotify, definitely like Keke's Talk Podcast. That let us know how much you enjoy our episodes. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
See y'all later. See ya.
You want to say see ya? You want to say see ya?
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Nice
Enjoy your breakfast.
Yeah.
Or snack.
Breakfast.